auto trans.
Oh.
And I was like, man, what the fuck? And then some dudes pulled up next to us.
Bro? No intro. Straight into it. Oh, for what, all the O'Reilly shit? Dude, you didn't know O'Reilly's the sponsor? Yeah. No, I had 4. It's quicker than quick. I cleaned this before I put the seat in too. Bad. So there's no write-ups on this shit, honestly.
Go crazy with it?
Well, because the thing is that the only thing I don't know how to The only thing I don't know how to do is, I'm guessing I can just use these stock mounting plates. Because the thing is that I didn't know the racer tip harness came without hardware. I didn't know I need to buy it with it. Because there's no, for the crotch belt or whatever.
Yeah.
I have some, hey, you know how thick that steel is? Isn't it like, whatever? Yeah, 3/16. But, because the only places I can think of mounting the harness is right here at just a regular ass fucking seatbelt, and then I don't know. There's no write up or anything on where to mount the harness bar, so I'm guessing I can either mount it here or here. There's 2 spots. 2 spots. Well, you know I need it. No, I need this. Still know that. I'm hoping these are long enough. If not, I should have some longer boys. Like profanity? I don't fucking care.
Fuck them sponsors. Twenty Club. Hey, hey, all you gotta do, I brought. That's how you do it, bro. That's it. I don't know, man.
Just totally avoided. Mission accomplished.
I'm gonna put a.
I said this is approved for kids too.
Should have put 18 and over.
No. They gotta learn, dude.
Yeah. God damn it. What's that right there, man? What are you taking off?
It's the stupid ass thing that they like to do in the 80s. And put automated seatbelts.
Amazing. So none of the cool kids.
So for all the RX7 guys that don't know, this does not work in your car. You can take this to Mazda and they have to replace it. It's a lifetime warranty on every car. Lifetime. And the problem is they'll dick you around for like months because they don't want to do it.
But you gotta dick them harder than they dick you, bro.
You do. You have to. You think it'd be better if I popped the sunroof?
Yeah, I would get more light.
See.
Nice.
I just do
Roll
this
it.
every time.
No sunroof?
Nah, I don't want the sunroof delete. I want to keep it. I just gotta do that. It sucks.
Man, we gotta go find another RX7.
Dude,
Nice. Light, bro.
And it's dead. Johnny, reach it, dude.
Does it plug in?
Tall as fuck. Dude. Just open the door. Let's run it. Freshly paint, dude.
Spray paint special or what?
Spray paint fucking. Hey, can you hand me the charger? I'm gonna jump in the trunk too.
You got the junk in the trunk?
Ooh! Who with the RX7? You know it can do that,
bro. Oh my god.
Dude, no one wants to replace the struts.
Amazing. Isn't it like a $20 part to just replace the fucking struts?
They can pay like 50, 60 bucks
For both, right?
for both. Yeah.
You gotta stop being broke and fix your cars. God, yeah. Who needs fucking sleep, bro?
Ah, fuck. They haven't passed that out. Alright, Johnny, you want to pass me the harness bar and the hardware?
Yeah.
It's not with harness bar.
I don't know which make those. I'm guessing.
That way? This way, probably? Let us take this over.
That shit got instructions or no?
You know what? I think it goes facing out. Looks like it does.
No, I think that is the pointing out like that.
That's upside down.
No, I think that's how it goes. It's not gonna reach any of the thing.
Actually, it's for a Honda, bro.
I think it has to be like this.
It wants to be though, like down here, right? Like it wants to be here, but it doesn't match up there. And there's no way to like wash it. I feel like it has to hit that hole. Like that's the only thick ass bolt there anyway. There's only one. There's oh. Because this goes to the little Heim joint.
Makes sense.
Hold on. What the foot? So, let me just see real quick. Why does it want to be upside down? Oh, it wants to hoop. still puts it fucking upside down. So it wants to hoop backwards and have these facing up, hoop backwards. So hoop like that. So yes. But that's still to make it still be upside down.
Too big? It's not the same board.
Alright, let me see. That's it. It's KJ. So that's the picture. But that looks exactly the same. It just this doesn't seem like it's long enough. She said. I swear to fucking God, dude.
So they have it.
Unless
They have it facing outwards like that.
yes, it's like this. Well, but the tabs. Look at the tabs for the.
This.
Yeah, those. It's like they don't want to.
Well, so what if it's that other way with the energy facing up?
Like this?
Yeah.
No, it doesn't want to. In the picture, it looks like it, like how it's like this, how it wants to be flat, like this. Like that's almost the shape, like that. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
But it doesn't want to be like that. Like it's not long enough.
Google, bro.
Look how they have their bar. It's not the same.
That's the same board though.
Are you sure that's a FC? That's a FD.
Same one we're looking at.
No. That's an S13, motherfucker.
I clicked on the first one and seen the same picture.
Yeah, I know. That's the thing.
We've been looking at
But this
S13
guy
all the
is-
time.
You have to add a 241 too.
Dude, Tom.
Dude, it's just bottom parts too.
Nah, the bottom parts are gonna be easy. I just go straight into other.
We're gonna show people how not to do it.
Yeah. So this will be
Do you
my.
know where the bottoms bolt up is?
Yeah, they go to.
Maybe you should bolt the bottoms first. Bolt it to that. And then see where it'll go.
Because I'm guessing I'm gonna run the harness off this. I like the seat harness. Actually, yeah, I probably off that one instead of that one. What do you mean? Oh, like pull it up.
What if you
Well,
mount?
it has Heim joints, so it's adjustable. So I can put it wherever, like you know what I'm saying. So it's not like they're set in a position.
And where you plugging this shit up? Right here?
Yeah.
Wait.
Yeah, you can see.
Right here.
Yeah. So it looks like this whole little like joint wants to
Doesn't-
go right here, like the top of it.
But then delivery to the other side.
But then it doesn't reach it, like off. It's like way off. And I mean, this should be an RX7 for 89 RX7.
NRG, your products are shit, bro.
Dude, chill out. I'm trying to get sponsored. Nah, chill out. It wants to go straight down. This has the logo pointed out this way too. I wonder if they put it on backwards. Like off.
Yeah, just look at this.
Dude, is this even? I mean, that spacer will get rid of it. I mean, all right, hold this side.
Right here?
Yeah, it don't matter. I see that side up. Shit. I don't like how that goes, but I mean, that'll work. I just don't like that it's not flush.
Yeah.
That's the only thing I don't like. But it still has the support. So if you should, I mean, if you have a washer holding all that tension, then you have that. Should be. And the energy's fucking upside down. So, but I mean, as far as this goes, that looks fine. It's alright. Alright. You gonna screw that one off for me then? Here. That one's not in the space too. Sorry, this is mine. NRG, what are you doing, guys? What are you doing, guys? Why doesn't it go through? Where doesn't it go? I mean, that's completely too long, right? That's so what the fuck? What is this?
Yeah, I'm giving you instructions, my dudes.
Like, I could put this shit together with Toyota and Mazda parts. Like, it's not a big deal, but damn. These don't fit inside the Hind, but these do. But they're way too long. The sleeve on them are way too long. So I have to run a smaller bolt at the top. No, I can't throw that out.
You should wrap your RX7, bro, as a Coca-Cola can.
Hello, what?
That's not bad.
There we go. That's cool.
The latches come
Your
across.
preference, I guess.
I mean, it feels better with my left.
Driving.
Because I can do stuff with my right as I'm hitting with my left. Like if I need to get out. Instead of like...
That makes sense.
I don't think that's going anywhere.
Anime titties for YouTube.
What?
Is that anime titties for YouTube?
Where at? Oh, yes sir. See it. I'm gonna grab a seat. Should go, well, this is the crotch belt.
Pretty secure, bro.